Good evening, guys. I thought I'll come without announcing. Okay, it is my HCAP and it is my first youth physio webicon. So it's like, and I'm here to give a surprise actually. Okay, I'm going to give a surprise announcement also that tomorrow is the fifth day of the conference. Okay, and the final show. Okay, the finishing touch, the finishing line. It does not matter how you start, it only matters how you finish. Okay, we are all born, we are born like babies without any knowledge. Okay, we come with a blank hard disk, okay, drive, but we learn lot of things from parents, then from teachers, then from life itself directly, and then we try to get what is called as the passion to learn. Okay, that is very important. We should never feel that we have completed the learning. And whenever any kind of a professional development program we attend, be it workshop or be it a conference, remember it is always called as CPD. CPD credits they tell, CEU credits they tell. So that means continuing education credits. CPD means continuing professional development credits. Okay, so remember it is continuing. Okay, so it's an ongoing process that learning never ends. So tomorrow is not the end of the Youth Physio Webicon. Okay, actually after the 5 days of positivity and great inputs of knowledge and inspiration, tomorrow it is actually a launch pad. Day after tomorrow onwards, how you are going to be there. You have seen the HCAP page, you have seen the Webicon web page, the event page, and you have seen the legends talking, okay, the passion with which by which they teach. You can see the live streaming itself, how much they are so much enthusiastic to teach. So when you directly meet them, when you interact with them, okay, when you actually solve your queries, be it clinical or academic, you cannot imagine also, it's such a wonderful learning experience it's going to be forever in your life. So never feel free, like you are disturbing the resource persons. Okay, they are there to be disturbed only. Okay, and remember it's when you see the sun, okay, the setting sun, you think that the clouds are disturbing the sun. Never. Okay, the brightness of the sun stays forever. Okay, cloud comes, cloud goes. So the cloud need not tell the sun that I am blocking you, I am disturbing you, all these things. Okay, so and even if it is fully covered, you know that the brightness always stays, okay, in the sky. Why? Because the clouds can stop the rays of the sun but not the glow of its rays. Okay, so same way, sometimes knowledge will not be visible to us. Okay, we don't know who really knows, who do not know, but definitely about them you would have heard. Okay, about our speakers you would have heard earlier, and now you got an opportunity that directly you listen to them. So never miss an opportunity to ask them your queries. Okay, and also keep taking it forward. Okay, because you should develop further. In the Youth Physio Webicon, AOMPT, the Academy of Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapist, is also the broadcasting partner. So as a broadcasting partner, something has to be done to improve the participation of the students. So I have announced a competition for the most active and interactive attending students. Okay, so those who are listening live and they ask a question, they send the screenshots to me every day. So there are set of people I am yet to count, but to my idea at least 20 to 25 people, the students have done very regularly. Okay, all 4 days they have done 12 screenshots they have sent. Okay, so I am also curious, like every other student who is participating in this conference also will like to know, because the first prize is 1000 rupees cash prize. So you attend a conference for free, you are getting a certificate from Jagannath University. Okay, and on top of that you are getting cash prizes also for attending it. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so 1000 rupees cash prize for the first prize. That means the person who sends the screenshots first tomorrow. Okay, but remember, do not send the screenshot when the speaker is talking. It shows that you are not attending. Okay, I have my own methods of evaluation. I have been teaching for 20 years. So don't think that you just send the screenshot first. When the third speaker starts, you just put a question and then you send the screenshot. No. Okay, you should ask the question in the interaction session only. When the speaker tells that yes, you can ask the questions. So in the interaction session you should ask the question, and after that the screenshot. Then after the session is completed, it's over, the third speaker talk is over, after that you should send. Okay, I may not be watching the WhatsApp that time, but I know the time by which it has reached. Okay, if there is a tie, I will announce. Okay, and today I am going to contact those students, the 25-30 students, and I am going to tell them that you are finalists. Okay, so these attending people, and they are sending the screenshots people. Okay, first, second, third. First prize is 1,000, second is 750, and the third prize is 500. So cash prize with the complimentary AOMPT lifetime membership. And if they have already taken membership, because some of the students who had heard my lecture or heard about me from others, what they have done is they have taken the AOMPT membership. Those who are Webicon participants. Okay, so already they are attending my manual therapy, the courses, the daily 10 days, 10 certificates, 10 courses. Okay, they are already attending. So if they are already members and already they are attending, then are they losing the prize? Okay, don't worry. For them, again, I am having a bigger package of sending all YouTube videos of physical examination and differential diagnosis. Okay, so they will get nearly 200 YouTube videos, which is my teaching videos, which you will feel that when you are watching the videos, you are really attending the class only. Okay, I am taking the workshop now, the evening sessions, where I am taking regional. Okay, morning sessions I take the manual therapy, but many of the practitioners, they see my videos and the techniques and they tell me that, oh, we didn't get this during our BPT. Okay, so if people have taken the membership, AOMPT's membership earlier, those students, if they are winning the first prize or second prize or third prize, definitely they will be getting additionally this physical examination and differential diagnosis videos, which is 200 videos. Every region physical examination, every region anatomy and biomechanics, and every region differential diagnosis, neck also, back also, shoulder, elbow, wrist and hand, every region. Okay, fully. So it's a comprehensive learning resource which every student will get, and because they are attending regularly, they are actively questioning, so they need to be promoted. That is how we develop the physiotherapy profession, because the future, the students, they will definitely get the best direction as long as the best people are there. Okay, so that is the main thing about the finalists. So I will inform the finalists today, and then after that all of you, and if required, okay, I will keep a session in Zoom and towards tomorrow afternoon, for example, and all the 25 students, I might ask a rapid fire round questions. Okay, so these questions, it's only the screenshot, but these questions can be from each of the topics. Okay, that's the clue I can tell. For example, if you are listening to 15 topics, okay, 3 speakers, 5 days, that means 15 questions I will ask. Okay, rapid fire round. Rapid fire means whoever is first giving the answer is going to be winning. In Zoom, you have an option, chat option. Okay, so the moment I tell the question and then I say start, send the answer in the chat. Okay, and then I will see among the answers who is the first one who has answered, and then I will show the screenshot also, okay, to everybody in the WhatsApp also. So as a proof, as a transparency that who is the student really who has answered it. Okay, and because I want to give equal opportunity to all the 25. Okay, and I know there can be some technical problems, internet. So tomorrow after the lecture, someone is sending a screenshot and it has got delayed. So because of that, they should not lose the first, second or the third prizes. Okay, other than the 3 prizes where the cash prizes are there, and then complimentary AOMPT membership, 10 people will get complimentary AOMPT membership alone. Okay, that is another special consolation prize. So those people, if among them anybody already they are member of AOMPT, again I'll send them all the 230 videos to them. Okay, so it's a bonanza for them. They don't get the cash, okay, but they will get the videos so that they can watch and learn. And then after the 10, the special consolation prizes, 50 people will be getting a chance to attend a free workshop, live streaming workshop, okay, with the certificate. So they are going to get the manual therapy historical perspective. If they have already attended the manual therapy historical perspective, they can attend ortho myo neuro manual therapy. Okay, they are given options. So depending on that, I am going to cover this workshop 1 to 1.5 hours maximum, and it's the most sought after workshop. I can guarantee you more than 700 people registered, okay, in the ortho myo neuro manual therapy, and I have taken around 6 batches, okay, and although 700 registered, you know our students, okay, so only 540 they actually attended the workshops, and after 540 around 420 someone they got the certificates, okay. Does not have any big quiz or anything like that, okay. So these students are exempted from the quiz and all, okay, because already they are regular attenders, okay, attending, okay. And then after this 3 for the screenshots, the attending people who are asking questions, they send the prizes. Anyway, all of you are going to get the link of the HCAP website where the quiz is loaded. So you are going to log in, and then you are going to open the quiz, and then you are going to answer it, okay. And about this, you will get more information from the students wing of the Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists, or from the president of HCAP himself, who will update you on how to actually access the link, okay, in the HCAP page, and you can complete the quiz and submit. Again, it is computerized evaluation, automatic. It's a MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. So it is automatically generating the certificate depending upon the 60% of the performance, okay. You get your performance rated as 60% and above, okay, and you get the certificate given by Jagannath University itself, okay. And so it's a magical finish for any student, okay, who wants to build a bright future. You know, you will definitely see that they are the best. The winner is definitely will be the best, okay. That is the main aim for us. We want to find out really who is the best, okay, genuinely who is the best, okay, so that the future can be strategically developed, okay. And most important, in the categories of the quiz winners, okay, the first 3 prize winners, again they get a cash prize which is 1,000, 750 and 500. Again the quiz winners also will get complimentary AOMPT lifetime membership, okay. So with that lifetime membership, if I already lifetime members, that's why they win the quiz, then they will get the package, the videos, okay, the 230 videos of full physical examination and differential diagnosis, anatomy, biomechanics, all regions of the musculoskeletal system, okay. So there we are, and we are going to see that those 3 students of the quiz, and plus I will also try to inquire with our president of HCAP that the next 10 scorers, because these are winning cash prizes, the other 10 I will give complimentary AOMPT membership or the video sets, okay, if they are already a member. You don't have an option to choose, okay. Becoming a member is more important, and it is lifelong, okay. If you are already a member, then I will send the package videos to you, okay. And quiz people I am not evaluating separately. Only the people who attended daily and sent the screenshots, I am going to keep a rapid fire round of Zoom session. So I will announce the finalists. I will release the names with their institutes tonight, and so tomorrow morning their videos will come, because I will ask them to speak about what is their vision in physiotherapy, okay, and how participating in this Webicon has actually changed their perspective towards physiotherapy, and what is the special thing, which message they actually got it from this conference, okay. They have to tell as a video, okay. It can be a selfie video like this, okay, not this much so dynamic, no, it's not possible, but still, okay. So we need a video of the students, and that video will be uploaded in the event page, okay, all the finalists, everyone's, and then I will ask you all to vote, okay, because whoever is visiting the page has to vote. So I will give a separate code, okay, next to the video. So you will watch that video, and then you will send the code to me by WhatsApp, okay. So I know a particular student how many votes they got, okay. So whichever is getting maximum votes, okay, that is another a measure of evaluation that they are actually the best, okay. So everyone should share their own video from the page, so that maximum friends will send me. They all should be physiotherapy students, okay. Whoever is sending the vote should be a physiotherapy student. I will verify that they have to submit the college ID card, Okay, minimum proof. If they are professionals, if it is about therapists, they will submit the degree certificate or IAP membership certificates, so as a proof that they are a physical therapist. Okay, you don't need any other proof. AOMPT membership certificate, again same, it's a proof. Okay, so there you are. You have a system where you are going to vote. It's not the Dance India Dance, or it is not the various shows which they keep. But I want to revolutionize, okay, how we participate and how we enjoy being a physical therapist, okay, and being one, all as one, and then working together is success. Okay, so for that, this contest is released. I will release the flyer tonight. I will also release the contestants, the finalists, and then they will be asked the videos, and I'm going to upload. The faster they send the videos, I'll start uploading in the event page, so that everyone can watch those videos and then vote according to the person. Okay, and the person also should share those videos to maximum friends, so that maximum people will vote for them. Okay, and that's how it goes. So it's again a democratic one, and not only the cash prize and the complimentary lifetime membership, they also get the package, the mega package of the videos, the physical examination. So I'm always here to give surprises, and I know very few people are watching, but they will get the update that Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists was live, and you will think that around 6:30, 6:45 HCAP live, what is happening? Are the speakers for tomorrow is practicing? No. It is the anchor and the moderator and the broadcasting partner, Academy of Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapist, Professor Senthil P. Kumar, who was live. And today, yeah, even I missed that. I could not do much in the morning sessions. So I thought, okay, I'll come evening. And when it is home, you can, come anytime and go anytime. So HCAP is something like that. So let's enjoy the day, the final day tomorrow, the countdown, okay, the judgment day. For attending students also, and for the quiz students also, I wish all of you the very best. God bless you all. We need students like you. Then only teachers like us will feel that our life is worthy. Okay. Good luck to all of you.